When was the last time you restarted your iPhone? If you don't remember, this video is for you. Every iPhone user should restart their iPhone at least once a week. Most people never do it, and that's why their iPhone slowly starts acting weird. Your iPhone is always running things in the background. Apps, services, connections, they stay active for days or even weeks. Over time, this can cause lag, small bugs, and unstable performance. When you restart your iPhone, iOS gets a fresh start, temporary memory is cleared, background processes stop, and everything reloads cleanly. That's why your phone often feels smoother right after a restart. Some security experts also recommend restarting your iPhone regularly. It helps reset background activity and limits anything that has been running for too long. What a restart can fix? Here's the list. A weekly restart can help fix random app crashes, freezing or slow animations, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth issues, and cellular connection problems, and also touchscreen delays as well. So if your battery feels inconsistent, restarting can help. It stops apps that are stuck running in the background and helps iOS manage power better. So our recommendation is simple. Restart your iPhone once a week. That's it. You don't need to reset anything or change settings. If your iPhone feels slow, buggy, or just not smooth anymore, start with a restart. It's simple, safe, and surprisingly effective. Like the video and subscribe to Phono for more iPhone tips you should actually know. Thanks for watching.